Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ridya Saraswati and today I will be explaining and demo about weather station in RemoteXY. By the way, this is actually not my RemoteXY. I borrow a friend's, but it's okay. It's still the same. Anyways, I'm so sorry for my coughing suddenly and also my weird voice. It's because I'm sick. Okay, sick. Anyways, let's just get started. What is remote XY? What with weather station? Well, weather station with remote XY is like a sensor with data 11, where it can detect a certain temperature and also humidity in a room. Um, for example, like the temperature is like 336 Celsius or something, and the humidity is like 45 maybe. Yeah, it's something like that. By the way, that's random. Don't take it seriously. So let's just get started about the inside of Urban XY in website and also in phone. Ha! Yes, there's in phone. This one. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, this is in phone, where you guys can just like setting and also add new devices in your Urban XY. So yeah. Anyways, let's get started by the temperature. Sorry, the what these are. So this is label. What is label? Well, it's in here. The decoration, in here, the very bottom. You guys can just edit the label, text, color, bold, font, bold or not italic, and same goes to humidity. And also there is this thing, which is value over here. What is value? Well, value is like the certain number for that certain thing. Like maybe like I said before, maybe the temperature is like 36 Celsius, and the humidity is uh, 45, so 45% or something. And yeah, so this in the bottom over here is graphics, where you guys can just find it in indication. Also same with value before. I'm sorry. So yeah, in online graphic, this thing there is like two labels. Sorry, two values because of course we have two values over here, where one is for temperature and one for humidity. Okay, now let's just get started. Move on to the configuration over here, where there is Wi-Fi access point. Sorry, our connection. Our connection. We'll be using Wi-Fi access point, and our board will be using Node MCU version 3 or version 2, all up to you. This is better as B, so yeah. And then there's the model, where we use integrated Wi-Fi and also the EDE, which is the platform that we use to code the things that we need inside of the board. So we use Arduino IDE. We'll just click that. Then moving on to settings, there is Wi-Fi access point, which is your SID, your name, and then also the password. And then you guys can also change the background if you guys want. Yeah, we're there. Okay, let's just get the source code. So, sorry, wait. It's kind of loading, so yeah. But this source code over here, uh, it's all of this in a code that you can. There you go. Anyways, continue what I was going to say. The source code is everything that you just input in your in the robot access that I just explained earlier. Um, well, with being it Arduino IDE code. So yeah, this all of this and just copy the code and then put it to your Arduino IDE where it's this one. So let me just explain for a bit. Okay, there's also a few things that I added in here. You guys can see it. There's a bit different from the one that I explained before. So yeah. So in the remote XY, there's the find remote XY mode Wi-Fi point where it will include SP 8266, which is the board that we use, by the way, and it will also include remote XY and also the headset, which is the sensor. Then next there is the Wi-Fi access ID, which is your name and also the password, and the port where it will be 6,000 6,377, which is this. You guys have to have that. And also the pin. There's the pin where I use D2 for my pin. Well, actually, you guys can just pick whatever pin that you guys want. Maybe a pin 5, pin 6, pin 1, maybe. Up to you. So, yeah. And let's just, um, sorry. Let's just move on to this part. So in this part, there is two texts for humidity and also temperature, and also the bottom one over here is the only graphics for both the humidity and also temperature, like I said. So yeah, there's also this. It's like uh, the numbers. Uh, sorry. Anyways, let's move on to the very bottom one, which is void loop, where there is a humi where it's they had their with humidity and will show a number an exact number of the humidity in that room, and also the temperature. Same goes to what I said before. And if there's no a number in the humidity and also temperature, then it'll read cannot read sensor data. So yeah, it will return, or else it will uh, temperature it'll give the temperature to 0 and the humidity to 0, where it gives the text, of course, and then it will go back to will delay for 1 second and will go back before reading it again. So let me just show you guys the example of the humidity and stuff like that. So in here, I don't know if you guys can see it, uh, is the temperature in up and also the humidity in down, where the temperature is 23 Celsius and also the humidity is 44 Celsius. Percent. I'm also sorry if this is different because yeah, uh, it's also the uh, the graphics. The green one is for the humidity and also the temperature, and it's the red one. Because I don't know if you guys can see, but I hope you guys do. So yeah. Anyways, maybe that's all from me. Thank you so much for listening to my explanation and demo. I'm very sorry if it's kind of not understandable, but yeah. Uh, I'm also sorry about my voice once again, and maybe that's all to say. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you guys have a good time and understanding this. So yeah, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.